back at the gym, and the parking lot is empty. And David's not here. He said he's gonna be here at 6. Liar.
Look, I just flipped the switch.
Oh, what's good, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. If you're not subscribed to the channel, hit that subscribe button. Today, as you can tell, we're doing biceps. So let's get to this workout. All right, next is the dumbbell shoulder press. And these are a little hard because I have a bad right shoulder that the VA can't find exactly why yet. It's been in the process, but we're doing what we can do. So, bro, I was just talking about you. I got here and I was like, oh, David's not even here. Hey, he made it. He made it. He made it. Next up, we got bicep curls. And this machine is just easier to use today because we got me and my wife working out. So we don't have to swap weights back and forth and back and forth. We can just flip the little toggle thing and voila, we got our weight switch. So that's what we're doing today. My wrist really hurts. And I think I slept really wrong because my shoulder is killing me. Don't have a 2, almost 3-year-old in your bed. Get them out as soon as you can. Otherwise, you're going to be sleeping on eggshells. That girl takes up the whole bed. And I'm ready for her to get kicked out. We need to get her somewhere else in the house because it's not cutting it no more. I think I slept like weird because I was so tense, trying not to roll on her. So I'm kind of just sleeping tight like this. So, and then she's just sprawled out all over the bed. All right. So another thing I like about whatever person is running the crunch, whenever I come, there's always great music all the time. Like you hear like Godsmack, Mudvayne, Crossfade, just a bunch of stuff that I listened to when I was growing up. And it's pretty cool because if I forget my AirPods, it's not even a big deal. All right, y'all, we are done with the cardio portion of the workout. Not cardio. We're done with the lifting portion of the workout. And now we're doing cardio. My wife is on the stairs next to me. And then I'm walking on an incline right now. My body feels a little looser than when we first got here. When we first got here, I was hurting bad. My shoulder is still acting up. I don't know. It's like really painful today. But we had a good workout. I think we worked out for about an hour lifting, and then probably do about 30, 40 minutes of cardio. Get home, shower, change. I got my first client at 9 a.m. and I'll be out of the shop hopefully by 4 p.m. So that'll be the day today. Try to get some footage at the shop. But back on it. Today's day 20, day number 20. So been at it for 20 days of vlogs. It's been a doozy. But other than that, I'm gonna get to this cardio, try to edit some of the beginning portions of this video. And then what did I say? Maybe watch something. I don't know. We'll see. But I just started, so we got a good bit of time left to do. So we'll get to it. What's good, y'all? So I just got done with 2 haircuts and my wife brought me breakfast. So I'm going to go ahead and eat that. We got a no-carb tortilla, or 1 carb, no carb, 1 carb, one or the other. And then we have bacon and eggs. So 3 slices of bacon and 3 fried eggs. So I'm going to go ahead and eat that. And I'll give you guys the calorie count here at the bottom. so you guys could see that. So 10 more days. Just got out of work. As you could see, we are at T Anchor Flea Market. I've been wanting to get this beef jerky for like 3 weekends now, and I haven't been able to go over there and get it. So hopefully I could catch them before they close. The flea market closes at 5, but I don't know if they're still lingering around or not. But let's cross our fingers and hope they are, because I want some of it, and I'll show you guys it if they have it. Let's go see. I hope I'm not disappointed. It's another sad weekend, guys. Another sad weekend. I walked in there, went to the stand, and it was closed. They closed again. I could never catch them. But I did go in there. I went to, there's some sneaker resellers in there that I always buy sneakers from. They're called Materialistic Junkies. I was wearing their merch the other day. But he told me that they always leave by 4. So I gotta get here by 4 next time. But I'm hungry. I wanna go get something to eat at home or cook something, but I don't know, probably just fry an egg or something, or cut up some strawberries in the meantime. But I'm starving Marvin. But let's get home. I'm gonna try to edit some of this vlog. My wife is out and about with her parents. So while they're gone, I'm gonna try to capitalize on that and edit some of these videos. And I'll edit this vlog, and so we can get this out tonight to y'all. But I'm gonna get home. Just got home, fixing to throw some meat on the grill. I'm hungry. My wife said just go ahead and cook, so I'm gonna cook for dinner. Gonna throw some rice in a pot, throw some chicken on the grill, and I forgot I didn't show y'all a drip check of what we got, what we're rocking today. So we got on the Adidas Executive polo right there. Got on these black windbreaker type material shorts, and then we have on the Yeezy 700s with the Adidas socks, as you can see there. So that is the drip for today, and we can't exclude the hat. So for the hat, we got on a OG Cleveland Indians fitted cap, but that's the drip for the day. Like I said, I'm gonna go throw some meat on the grill and get to cooking. So it's gonna be delicious because I'm hungry. I'm starving Marvin. Let's get it. Got the meat sizzling on the grill. Got a Coke Zero. It's nice outside. The chicken is about done, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna grab them, I'm gonna throw them in this pan, and then we're gonna stick them in the oven just so they can cook a little more on the inside while I clean up the grill and wait for that. And once I'm done cleaning up the grill, we're all ready to go. Meat's all ready to go. We're ready to eat. So, oh, it looks so good. Look at that right there. It looks so delicious. We got 12 ounces of chicken and 3 eggs and some zero carb, 60 calories. Gonna put the information somewhere in here so you guys can see it all. But that's gonna do it for the day. Yeah. All right, y'all, that's going to do it for the video today. I appreciate you guys for tuning in today. We closed out the day at 1,495 calories. I did have a snack. I had some, some 0 calorie Ready Whip with 0 calorie Jello and some strawberries. But overall, it fit into the caloric deficit under 1,500 calories. But that'll do it for today. Hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. It is Saturday. So Sunday's going to be a completely different video. New vlog. This is day 20, day number 20 in the books. I don't know why I put 3. 20 in the books. So had a great day. Can't complain. Glad the work week's over. I'm just ready to wind down, chill out. We are going to go and do a hike on Monday, I believe. I really want to go hike the Lighthouse Trail at Paladoro Canyon. Paladoro Canyon is the second largest canyon in the continental United States of America, and the Lighthouse Trail is 6 miles long. I've done it before. Back when I was in decent shape, I was like at 230, 239 at the time, and I did 5 miles, and this was back when my oldest son Michael, he was I think he was like 2, 3. He was young. It was like 2 or 3. 3. No, I hadn't taken him that young. Had to been like 4 or 5 years old. So this had to be like 3, 4 years ago. But I took him and I hiked 5 miles with him on my neck, like his legs. Him. I did 5 miles like that, and then I did the last mile. Told him like, bro, you got to walk. But we did 6 miles. So if I could do that like that, I'm sure I could go hike just by myself. I am, dealing with my nerve issues and stuff like that, but I feel like it's not going to be that, I don't know, that big of a problem, but we'll figure it out. But Monday, that's something that me and my wife want to do. And then so if we're going to do that on Monday, I think we're going to hit chest tomorrow. So, but other than that, if you guys enjoyed this video, let me know in the comment section what you think. I hope you guys have been staying locked into the series. And if you're not, there is 19 more days before this video that you could check out. If you're a barber and you want to save some money on T-Pop clippers, you can sell the T-Pop stuff. If you want to save some money on that, use code JBlends to save yourself, not 15, save yourself 20% off your purchase. So if you want to save 20% off, use code JBlends at tpopusa.com and thepissedoffbarber.com. I'm trying to think if there's anything else that I wanted to say. I don't remember. Last but not least, I wish I got that jerky, but it is what it is. But let's get this video uploaded. Hopefully it's uploaded by 8:30. It's right now, I think it is, let me see real quick. We'll open my laptop. It is 7:36. So we should have it uploaded by then. But other than that, appreciate you guys for checking it out. If you're not subscribed to the channel, hit that subscribe button, smash like button, turn on your post notifications. Until next time, God bless.